Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back to share with you guys 2 more entries into my birthday challenge giveaway. The first one is from Susan. She is Lovekins here on YouTube. Hi Susan. And this is from NYX. Her YouTube channel is NYX Crafty Corner. Hi NYX. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the entries that they sent in. Alright, for entry number 10, this is from Susan, Lovekins, and look how super adorable this package is. I love this. So she has this bag topper up here. Looks like she used some washi to decorate it, and this gold foiled bow. I am dying over this. It is so adorable. She paper pieced this super cute unicorn, and I love the colors that she chose. They're very pastel and very soft, and she added a touch of gold with the gold foil. She also has this oval die cut in the background. She used a rainbow paper as her base, and then these teeny tiny little embellishments. They are so stinking adorable. I love them. And she has that going all the way around the entire card. Super cute. I love it. Like I mentioned, Susan is Lovekins. That is her YouTube as well as her Instagram. She says her style is clean and simple. I love shabby too, but I'm not very good at it yet. And her favorite colors are pink and aqua. So thank you so much, Susan. I love it. Here is the card that she created. I'm loving this bright yellow envelope. How cute! It's a scallop-shaped card. It looks like she might have colored some of these elements in and popped up the unicorn here. This is a castle, the sentiment dream. Oh, thank you so much, Susan. She was just wishing me a happy birthday. And she's actually a newbie crafter, so great job for being a newbie. All it takes is practice. When I first started, I had no idea what I was doing, and sometimes I still don't. But thank you so much, Susan, for your entry. I love it. So along with her entry, Susan also sent me a little goodie. Thank you so much, Susan. So she has packaged up a couple of these really big chipboard unicorns. They have the holographic detail on them. So super cute, and I do not have any of these. And then keeping with the unicorn theme, she has these chipboard pieces with the gold foiled rainbow, unicorn, and stars. I believe these are from Michael's. I never picked these up, so thank you so much. Now I can add those in my stash. So thank you so much, Susan, for sending along an extra goodie. Entry number 11 is from NYX. She is NYX Crafty Corner. And here is the memory decks card that she created me. Very vintage and very sturdy. Thank you so much for that. It's a Christmas theme, so you have these 2 little girls about to sing some carols. And I don't know if these are die cuts or if she fussy cut them, but it looks like a poinsettia flower with a tree branch with a bird on it. And it says fa la la and for you. She says for her crafting style, she doesn't have a particular one, but loves to try everything. I am the same way. And her favorite color is pink. And she sent this from Georgia. So thank you so much. She actually had the memory decks card in this super cute note card and wrote me a really nice note and also included these gems. So thank you so much. Here is the card she created me. This looks like a rose gold metallic clear sticker, and it's huge, but it's really pretty. She has another vintage image in the center holding a bouquet of roses. And then on the inside it says, enjoy the day, and she wrote in happy birthday. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you joining into my challenge. So here are the 2 entries from Susan and NYX. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to create these items for me and mail them to me. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will be back. I have a couple more entries that have trickled in, and I am trying to keep up with all of that. So please bear with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.